Hi guys, this is a quick video. This video is going to be on weight vest. And I own 4 weight vests, 3 of them from Titan. My heaviest one is 60 pounds. And I own the Easy Vest, the premium model from Kensui. And I'll be honest with you, I don't like weight vests. They're uncomfortable to wear, and they're difficult to put on and take off once they're loaded. There's techniques on how to use weight vests. Kensui sells a suspension system to make it easier taking on and off. But what I want to do today is give you a tidbit information that you really don't need a weight vest if you want to do weighted exercises. All you really need is a couple of daisy chains. Okay, so I want to show you how to make a weight vest with a pair of daisy chains. The daisy chains are nylon straps, multiple loops. These are 43 inches long, and I bought this off of Amazon for $9.99. And it has a breaking strength of over 2,000 pounds. So it'll definitely hold any weight plates you want to wear. And you're also going to need 4 snap links, but they're inexpensive too. You can buy them off of Amazon or off of Walmart. And to make this, I'm intentionally chose 2 different types of weight plates. One's an Olympic weight plate cap, and another one is a 10-pound weight plate I bought from Walmart, which is standard, has a 1-inch hole. So I want to show you can use either a 1-inch or a 2-inch hole. So all you're going to do is run your daisy chain, the end of it, take a snap link and connect it in that manner. Then take the other end, run it through your other weight plate, through the hole, and of course you could use the handle if you wanted to, but I'm just showing you that you can use a 1-inch hole. Take a snap link and connect that in that manner. Now do the same with the other daisy chain. As you can see, it's easy to do. And it only literally takes you about a minute or 2 to construct this. And there, it's done. So now what I did is I made a weight vest. This weight vest is both easy to put on, and it's also easy to take off. So I'm going to just put it back on real quick and just show you that it is functional. So there you go, guys. Because the straps spread wide apart, it's easy to take off. You don't need to buy an expensive weight vest to create one out of 2 daisy chains and 4 snap links. That's all. Hope this information helps you, and thanks for watching.